what's going on, everybody? Welcome once again to N-Line TV. I'm your host, Nelson Arevalo Jr., and thank you for stopping by. If you're new here, please subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate it. Today, guys, I have the review and unboxing of the Adidas Yezzy Slide Slate Gray colorway. But before we begin, you guys already know the vibes. This video is sponsored by N-Line. N-Line, if you're not familiar, it is my clothing brand, it is my brand, it is my identity, it is everything to me. Follow me on Instagram at NLineNYC, and if you want to cop some merch, go to my website, NLineNYC.com. Thank you guys so much. Now, without further ado, let's get right into the review. So we have the box, typical Yeezy box. It says slide on top. These are a size 13. So these are the slate gray colorway. And boom, here they are. Very similar to the granite that I just did a few minutes ago. You know, doing back-to-back reviews. That's why I'm wearing the same shirt. But yeah, guys, these are very similar to the granite, just lighter. The finish is also different. I feel like these are more of a matte, where the granite is more of a shiny finish. You know, we got that bottom right there with the waves. These do have like a tint, like a blue tint to them. I don't know if you guys can see it, but these are like a gray. It's like a dark gray, but it feels like it has like blue. Like it feels very cool, like a cool gray, if you will. What else we have? So if you guys are wondering what size you are, I do suggest going full size up, because Yeezy slides do run small. And if you have very wide feet like I do, go 2 sizes up, because you might have problem up here. I actually had to go 3 sizes up because my foot is stupid wide. But I don't have Yeezy slides. I was just wanted to see if they fit me. So these are 13. Not keeping these, you know, gotta let these go. Very beautiful shoe and all that, but you know, time is money, and we here for it, baby. Yeah, this is the Yeezy Slide Slate Gray. Let me know in the comments how you feel about this shoe, how about this slide, about this sandal, whatever you want to call it. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. We got the Adidas logo in here. They put the size thing here, which is not normal because they usually put it in here. So these are size 13, UK 13, France 48.5, Japan 315, China 300. I did not realize that Japan and China had their size for shoes like that. That's interesting. Wow. Learn stuff every day. It's interesting how they don't put it in the box. What is FR for? Is that France? I guess it's like the Euro size too, right? FR. Yep. I'm gonna go with Euro size. So this is Euro size 48.5. Those of you guys wondering, this is the slide. Thank you guys for stopping by. Follow me on Instagram at NLineNYC. And if you want to cop that merch, go to my website, NLineNYC.com. Thank you guys for stopping by. Until the next one, deuces.